Hey everyone, I want to show you screenpipe browser. So it allows you to run automations based on what you do in your browser, such as capturing pages on schedule or extracting information from tools like ChatGPT browser or like Cloud browser. Is that it's using your existing browser, and so it's already connected, and nobody can detect that it's an AI. And you can also use in the same way that ChatGPT does it. I'm going to show you here. Can you get my browser? Great. Just to showcase, you can run the browser automation schedule, and with screenpipe you can do it based on what you do, what conversations you have. So for example, you have a meeting that ends, and you can have an automation that adds the meeting transcription to a specific website, or do some specific action on the web based on these conversations you had, or based on what you do on your screen. That's it. If you want to download, go to screenpipe.com. Bye.